Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Yvette, your host today from Enchanted Cakes by Yvette. And today we're going to be showcasing you the 1M tip. Okay, this one's by Colour Mill. You can get it from Loyal as well. And it's just beautiful, beautiful tip to use. It's so versatile, one of our favorites, and we'll be showing you 5 different ways you can easily pipe with it. Okay. So let's get started with our 5 different options for a simple 1M tip. So we'll start with an easy shell border. So it's just up and over, squeeze and release as you pull down. Squeeze, release as you pull towards yourself. You can do a simple star, so hold your piping bag totally vertical, upright, and then do a small little twist. These also make perfect hydrangeas. So as you're squeezing it, do a twist, stop squeezing, release, and let go. You can do a nice rope border here. We'll do a twirl. Or nice even pressure. Now you've also got a simple rosette. Okay, classic rosette on a cupcake. And another border that looks really pretty with the 1M tip is the reverse swirl. Okay, so it's like doing a reverse S. So again, holding upright, a rose, around, opposite direction, pull down, opposite direction, pull down, opposite direction. It's nice even pressure. Okay, and I'm running out of my icing here. But there's 5 easy alternatives with a 1M tip. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And of course, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Also, don't forget to follow me on my socials so you never miss out on new content and amazing cake designs. See you next time.